Hi folks, this is J.D. Oliver here on Monteagle Mountain, Tennessee, the Jim Oliver Smokehouse, Restaurant, Gift Shop, and Lodge. I'm bringing you live video footage of one of the world's largest motorcycle rides, the 18th Annual Trail of Tears Remembrance Motorcycle Ride to remember Native American heritage and scholarships to benefit Native Americans funded by event organizers and sponsors. The motorcycle ride starts in Chattanooga, Tennessee and ends 3 days later in Tahlequah, Oklahoma. We begin our video at the bottom of Monteagle Mountain and take you up to the top of Monteagle on old US 41A and 64. On our way up the mountain, we are passing hundreds of motorcycle riders on their way west toward Florence, Alabama, where the group will stay overnight. The Trail of Tears ride is free and no registration required. Riders can join the ride anywhere along the route. The ride is held the third Saturday in September each year. Monteagle Mountain is in southeast Tennessee and is one of the most scenic and historic routes in Tennessee. Whether you live to ride or ride to eat, stop in and see us at Jim Oliver Smokehouse on beautiful Monteagle Mountain in Tennessee, and tell them JD sent you.